Alas, poor Yorick, I knew him tux. Hello everyone, it's Friday, October 10th, 2008. This is WFTL Bytes, your occasiodaily FOSS and Linux news show, as hosted by me, Marcel Gagné. Today is a special day. You'll notice I have my press hat right from the beginning, and the reason it's a special day today is it's kind of a German sort of celebration thing. Here in Kitchener-Waterloo, it is the opening of Oktoberfest, the second largest Bavarian festival in the entire planet, second only to that other place. What's it called? Germany. Yeah, Germany. So, raise up your mug, get it, free beer. It all fits with the whole Linux thing. Free beer, except that the beer at Oktoberfest generally isn't free unless your friends are giving it to you. But I'm digressing madly. Today's big news, Mandriva 2009 has been released, and it is a very cool Linux distribution indeed. First of all, it's got a faster load time, which is always kind of fun, and it is the first major distribution that comes with KDE 4.1 as its default desktop. So, super slick, beautiful, although you can optionally run GNOME 2.24 as well. If you're using the Power Pack edition, it also has the Fluendo licensed audio-video codecs, which is also very nice. It's got Windows Mobile Sync. It also has BlackBerry Sync built into it, and it comes with OpenOffice 3.0, so we're talking serious bleeding edge stuff. And if you happen to have one of those little lightweight netbooks and so forth, it comes with a really cool lightweight desktop environment called LXDE. So mandriva.org, or mandriva.com rather, visit the website, download a copy, it's ready. You can have it today. Also available today, Opera 9.6. It's bigger, faster, stronger. Actually, I don't know if it's really bigger, but it certainly is faster. And it's a great browser. If you're used to using Firefox or Conqueror or something else, you really should check Opera out because it really is a cool browser. One of the things that it has is an enhanced Opera Link, which is actually a sync software, which means that you can take everything with you that's part of your browsing experience. And that's not just bookmarks and profiles and so forth, but your search history, for instance, is also available. It also, including your speed dials and so forth. One of the other things that it has that's kind of neat is a low bandwidth mode for the Opera Mail version of the package that comes with it. There's also an RSS feed preview, so that if you want to subscribe to somebody's RSS feed, you can actually take a look and see what it looks like before you go and do that. So it's kind of neat. There's also some he said, she said sort of stuff happening in the news today, starting with Google. You might not be surprised to hear that Google had something to say about Richard Stallman's comment a few days ago that cloud computing was marketing hype and not worth thinking about, and other nasty things that we won't go into right now. I don't know how nasty it was, but suffice it to say that he thinks it's all hype, okay? That it's not worth your time. Well, Google has something else to say about that, saying that it's a problem with perception. You know, the idea that somehow your data is not as safe, not as available, and so forth. It's just not true. You just have to deal with somebody you can trust, like Google, for instance. You can read the whole thing by following the links at the bottom down here today, and you can see what Google has to say about this whole thing. And besides, as they put it, you can always take your data, your ball, so to speak, and go home. And because I want to finish this up on a German theme, ein Prosit, I'm going to bring up one more thing. James Bottomley of Linux Foundation was at the opening of the Linux Congress in Hamburg, Germany. See, we're in Germany. Hamburg, Germany, where he was talking about different operating systems. And of course, one of the ones he mentioned was Apple, which, as he points out, isn't really free because it's a jail of sorts. In this case, it's a luxury jail. The reason I mention this is because I like what he went on to say afterwards about people who are running Microsoft. You Microsoft users apparently are also in jail, but you're in a jail with dirty toilets. Think about that as you head into your weekend and you raise that glass of beer for Oktoberfest. That's me. I'm done. Talk to you later. Ein Prosit. No, I'm really done. Bye. Gemütlichkeit, ein Prosit, Gemütlichkeit.